Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're doing the more ultimate upgrades for your Tesla. We got the biggest brands. These are Tesla Midi X, and we also got Joshua, and we even got coupon codes for these stuff. Coupon codes for you, coupon codes for you. Even Tesla, we got coupon codes, so you can actually get up to $2,000 off a new Tesla.
$2,000 off a new Tesla.
Check out the description for all this kind of good stuff. So we're going to show you what we got ultimate stuff.
I cannot wait.
Have you ever wanted an expandable bucket?
I have actually.
I messed up.
have.
I messed up. Now I love these expandable buckets. Oh, look at that! Look at that!
That is so
expands,
awesome.
and you can carry
Oh my gosh.
your shopping. Yeah.
I feel
when
like
you come in
I
from
might
shops,
wash the car with this as well.
got a bit of bucket. We actually saw someone emptying a C pen
Yes.
with not this one, a cheaper one, a rubbish one. So if they had a proper one, it would be good. And you also get this. You're gonna love this
What is
because
it?
she's gonna be cleaning the car.
I know this car needs a good clean up now. It's been 2 years. What
Feel.
is that?
Microfibers.
Ooh.
Lots of microfibers. Lots of
They are
microfibers.
soft. So this is gorgeous. So this is like for polishing. And the great thing about these microfibers, Ash, before you go on to the next bucket, is look, hand microfiber, yes. So you can get really in there and use their elbow grease and just give your car a nice whack. I'm gonna have to use this. I need to wash this car. It's got some bird poop on it. Hand microfiber.
That was Joshua coupon codes inside. That was Midi X, and we got a triple threat in this one. You're gonna
What is this?
you need these stuff. The first thing you need, I need this. It's a safety hammer.
Oh, that's really important.
Electric cars, they're electric. They're no longer those windy windows that you can actually control.
And the problem with the Tesla as well is that it's really hard to find the
button.
manual way to actually open your
Button,
door.
you gotta click it.
And just imagine you're in a panic and whatever, so you just want to reach out and get that. And I mean, hopefully you'll never be in that situation.
Never
but
gonna
just
be in
in
that
case,
situation.
That's a useful tool.
They got
to
a
have.
nice controller holder there. You stick it on, and
And it doesn't look like a hammer, does it?
Oh shit. It does work. What you gotta do is you gotta put it all the way in. We'll show you the security footage. Yeah, it goes all the way in and then it explodes. So this is very powerful.
Yes, and someone needs to clean the glass now, by the way.
Oh man, I have to pick up all the pieces now. Damn it. So it's got a little cutter here on this side. You can cut some stuff. Cut the strap.
seat belt.
The seat belt. Cut the seat belt with this side.
Yeah, that's so useful.
Guys,
God,
we should be making like a little action film with this. And smash it.
It's time to escape the car with 2
feet.
seconds to go.
Elon Musk is reprogramming the Teslas. He's out to get you. Why-ya? Not today, Mr. Elon
Yeah,
Musk.
because imagine a world where, for example, you actually can't leave your car because the electrics have just defaulted.
Don't imagine that world. Imagine this world where you get awesome stuff. Charging
Oh, we need
cable
that. We need
organizer.
that. We need that.
We've got-
Charging cable organizer.
So
I need that.
We got a charging cable.
Yes.
But we don't know where to place it. Where
It's
do you
so
place it?
unsightly. It is so unsightly.
Look, this looks like it's gonna be somewhere special. See, we're gonna make this house luxurious.
It's so
Takes us a long time because you know we are amateurs when it comes
slow.
to. Oh, you need to get a privacy. This is a privacy
It's really cool.
sensor for. See, Tesla, it's got an indoor camera just staring at you the whole time.
In the cabin, right there.
Cabin camera just staring at you, and you can't even see what they're seeing. And it's always constantly accessing the internet. What is it doing? Why do you want to know what I'm doing in the car, Tesla? Well, you can't know it anymore with this little privacy.
I like that. Now, bear in mind, we did use like a footstool foam, like a foam protector. So we might have to upgrade it to this now.
We've got a cabin camera permanently
We
covered.
covered it up forever.
I think maybe it's for the autopilot people, because a lot of people use that.
Yeah, they
I don't
fall
use
asleep,
that.
maybe.
I don't want to use that stuff. I don't trust it. It's raining.
Can't see. Tesla, I can't see. The windscreen is broken. Oh my god, I got 2 massive lorries in front of me. Yep. It's just not quite sure if there's a car to my right or not. Problem uno. Tesla! Just trying to lock the Tesla. How's it going?
I've been having this spinneroonie for the last 10 minutes.
Oh no, it's Sentry mode then. What could it be? And this Tesla Midi is going up against a concrete cement truck. Concrete cement. concrete cement. Do you think you can see the Tesla told us to go? It was left. Bad Tesla.
I won't trust
Have
it.
you seen Tesla's maps?
I don't. If you trust it, if you use it, let me know your experience.
Yes.
I'm very excited to find out what it is. And
Yes,
look,
I
you
like
got
this.
Wall
This is
anchors.
cool. So you can just literally like hang the plug up like
it
this.
plugs in.
Yeah, we need this.
This is fancy.
We need this. We need
This
this.
is. Oh look, you just
100%
shove it. You shove it in there.
Need it.
Oh,
need it.
I want to install this.
We should. We need
This
it.
is
we need
so
it.
cool.
We need it. Done. 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 Oh, look at that. This has my name on it. This has my name on it. This is a beautiful blow suction integrated dual mode vacuum cleaner. And just look at the size of that, right, guys?
So it sucks and it blows. It vacuums and it blows and
actually
it's
really
tiny.
useful.
Is it gonna
tiny.
work?
Well, it's got LED lighting, it's got metal body, new alloy body, aerospace quality. Oh, I'm so
Okay,
excited.
I'm just stop right here.
Yes.
We need to see if this is gonna. It looks too small to work. I think.
Yeah, but you know, small things.
Is it gonna work?
Sometimes.
We have white seats. Will it
I
help
need
our white
this.
seats?
I need this, Ash. There's
Okay, that is
so
it.
much dirt in our car. It's just
You set that up. We're gonna be
I'm
vacuuming
going
the
to.
car
That's
right
it,
now.
I'm doing
This
it.
is turning into
I'm
a
doing
car
it.
vacuuming review.
how to. Oh, it even comes with a little bag as well. That's so cute. So if you're on the go, if you've got a toddler who's messy. Oh, what's this?
What's great about it is small, so you can just chuck it in the car and not worry about it.
Yes. Look at this. It's got nozzles. I need this. I need this nozzle. It's got some manuals as well. It's got a charging device. That's cool. And look at this. It's even got like a crevice tool as well. It's got a tiny. Look at that. Look at that. I need this. And it's a filter. Oh my goodness. Now you guys want to see what the actual vacuum looks like because gee, I have a huge vacuum. It does not look anything like this. Oh my god, it looks like a blender or something. That looks so fancy.
I know.
Let's see how it performs on these white Tesla seats. You can see here is a bit of dirt. Oh, it's fucking it up. It looks everything. I like it. Look at that. It's sucking it up. Well, I think that's pretty awesome, you know. For such a small tool, look how much dirt is picked up already. Look at that. Ugh. Yuck. I mean, naturally, I think that you probably would clean your car with your main vacuum, or maybe you wouldn't, and then you'd use this for small pieces, but so far I'm quite impressed. It gets into those nooks and crannies. Look at it. Okay. Not bad. I like the fact that you can increase the intensity of it to really suck up those little bits and pieces, and it does have a HEPA filter as well, so it feels like it's really clean and fresh. Fresh.
All right, we finished cleaning.
Yes.
What I want to see is how much dirt's collected.
Look at all of that gunk. I like it. It's handy, it's nifty, it's small. I can keep it in the car for those accidents that you do when, you know.
What I do not do that. And my favorite tool is this hammer. And
Yes.
what you also get is, you actually they give you a pane of glass to test it out on. Oh shit. Ow. Okay, don't do that. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show.